Hey everybody, it's Carol. How are you? I hope you're all doing great. So I'm watching this show. It's an old television show, but I went through 8 seasons already, and every season has 20-something episodes. Allison Janney and Anna Faris, and I'm trying to think who else. That's all I knew. And it's such a cute show. And it's not that I'm recommending it because it's the greatest show, but it's something that has kept my attention for 8 seasons. So, and they have like guest celebrities come on every now and then. It reminds me of kind of like a Seinfeld comedy. You know, they're all sitting at the diner. They're all go to Alcoholics Anonymous too. And it's really a show about hope. You know, that you can conquer the hardest trials in your life, and they touch every subject. So I'm really enjoying that. Actually, I just finished it yesterday. I watch like a little bit every night, and it's just a very comforting show. You know, I was an extra when I moved here 7 years ago. I moved to California. I went right out to sign up to be an extra for TV and movies. I did a few shows. I don't even remember half the shows that I did, but you'd have to get up like at 4 or 5 in the morning and drive to downtown, sit in a trailer, and then sit on set. To me, it was the most exciting job I ever had. I didn't continue it because life got in the way at that point, but I would love to do that again. It just lifted my spirits, and you know, I enjoyed it so much. It really was fun. It was a lot of fun. Oh, the reason I'm telling you that is because my sister is an extra in Mom, which I didn't realize until I was on the 7th episode, so I wound up watching in the beginning again. But she is one of the cooks in the restaurant. There's her picture. She's got the little red hat, and yeah, every time they show the restaurant, she's in there. She gets picked for a lot of parts. She loves also, if you have a hard time remembering how your conversations go on the phone and you're a little hard of hearing, and I'm always like, what? You know, if you're a little hard of hearing, there is a free website that you can download. It's called InoCaption, and it's this little blue and white. It's called INNO capital CAPTION. Now what happens is quite amazing. It transcribes your whole conversation. So people have to give you phone numbers or addresses, and they say, are you ready? Do you have a pen? Yes, I'm ready, because I am actually transcribing this whole conversation because I have a hard time hearing. So if you're one of those that has a hard time hearing, download the InoCaption app and thank me later. It's one of the best apps I've ever downloaded, because now I have a whole record. I have proof. I have information that I could snapshot and send to my kids. I could also send the whole conversation, forward the whole conversation to anybody. So it is amazing.
When you have hearing loss, sometimes words cause anxiety and frustration because they get lost along the way. Making phone calls shouldn't be one of those moments. Talking to family, making appointments, or engaging in a work call should be filled with confidence, connection, clarity. Say hello to InoCaption. Caption your phone calls. Simply open the app and make a call. Automated captions or live stenographers, the choice is yours. Used by hundreds of thousands of users.
I've gone from being this anxious, sweaty mess to totally confident, like I'm a hearing person again.
It was sort of amazing that I could actually listen and put that with reading the text. I can be in the noisiest place in the world, but I can make calls and receive calls because I can see the text on my screen. I would not even think about making a phone call to anybody without InoCaption. That's all there is to it.
InoCaption users feel more confident and less frustrated when on the phone. And most importantly, empowered to make more calls. Because with InoCaption, words don't get lost. No cost to users, certified by the FCC, and no doctor's prescription required. Download today, available on the App Store and Google Play. InoCaption.
The other thing, silly thing was, recently I've been having like a banana with peanut butter on top, a little jelly, and I just cut it up and then I eat it for breakfast. I stopped buying bananas because it's only me living here and they would get bad within a few days. So now I do this. I take either a paper towel and I wet it, or I take parchment paper and I just squish it around the end of the banana, make sure the banana doesn't tear from it, and then tin foil. I'll show you when I go downstairs. I'll show you a picture right here. So just wrap it, and I'm telling you, I could buy a whole bunch of bananas now, and they stay good for over a week, which is so wild to me. I think that is one of the greatest tips. Now I can have my banana in the morning. That's it. One more thing. These are my favorite chocolate-covered pistachios. They have chocolate-covered cashews, chocolate-covered walnuts, which are big. These are nice and small, and they taste amazing. It's because this company, LAMONTAGNE, they are a family-run company, and I buy these in Marshall's for $6.99, or I'll order them on Amazon or Walmart because they haven't come to California yet. They're in Canada, they're in a lot of other states, but they're not in California, so I can't buy them personally. I have to order them. But when I tell you how delicious these are, they're addicting. Absolutely. I eat one handful a day. Whew, they're really, really good. The LAMONTAGNE family presents the exquisite taste of pistachios, delicately enrobed with unctuous milk chocolate and a pinch of sea salt, offering a luxuriously refined, sweet, and salty alliance. Woohoo! Yeah, really, really nice. I really enjoy them. Now I just go to Marshall's, and I hope when they're there, I buy them out. I buy like 5 or 6 bags. And I'm one person here, but that's how much I love this. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you know that you are special to me. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you all.